Hi, my name is Nadia. I'm part of amazing Prexa 365 team. Today we will be talking about the asset and assets groups. Are you tired of searching through cluttered and disorganized inventory lists like these? Introducing Prexa 365 and assets groups in our software. Prexa 365 allows you to categorize and group your rental assets, making it easier to manage and track your inventory. With assets groups, you will be able to track the usage of your equipment, maintenance, and how effectively you're using it as well. Let me share my screen with you. Let me show you how it actually works in the application. First of all, we need to change the module to asset management. Over here on the left-hand side, you might find the navigation screen. We go to assets. You can see the list of all the assets over here. Also the categories, subcategories, and asset groups they belong to. You might personalize the view of this screen the way you like by editing the columns, rearranging them, also by adding different filters right from the screen. Also, you may select all the assets and export them to the Excel file and share with your team. Please feel free to contact me either in LinkedIn or via emails, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.